Umaga mga kaibigan, small content creator ka ba na kagaya ko? At naghahanap ka ba ng paraan kung paano lumago ang channel mo? Nasa tamang video ka dahil may inihanda ako dito ng mga estratehiya o tips. Handa ka na ba? Tara, samahan niyo ako! This is a tip for the small content creator only, like me, to generate subscribers and viewers for your YouTube channel. Here are 6 strategies to do now. Number 1 is optimization. Under optimization, number 1 is keyword research. Use relevant keywords in titles, description, and tags. Number 2, eye-catching thumbnails. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails. Number 3, engaging titles. Craft compelling descriptive titles. Number 2, content. Under content, number 1 is high-quality content. Produce informative, entertaining, or inspiring videos. Number 2, consistency. Regularly upload videos to maintain audience engagement. Number 3, diversity content. Experiment with different formats. Example, vlogs, tutorials, and reviews. Number 3, promotions. Under promotion, number 1 is social media integration. Share videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. Number 2, collaborate with other creators, partners with fellow YouTubers or influencers. Number 3, engage with audience, respond to comments, ask for feedbacks. Number 4, community building. Under community building, number 1 is consistent branding, develop a recognizable style. Number 2, interact with viewers, host live stream, question and answer sessions or discussion. Number 3, offer exclusive content, provides for subscribers. Number 5, growth hacking. Under growth hacking, number 1, analyze performance, use YouTube analytics to track views, engagement, and audience retention. Number 2, optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords, description, and tags. Number 3, cross-promote. Share content on other platforms. Last, additional tips. Number 1, be authentic and passionate. Share your unique perspective and enthusiasm. Number 2, focus on a specific niche. Establish yourself as an expert in a particular area. Number 3, stay up to date with trends. Keep your content fresh and relevant. By implementing these strategies, you'll increase your chances of attracting and retaining subscribers and viewers on your YouTube channel. Sila!